Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a site review in sunny Cheshire, and we are at Manor Country Caravan Park. Well everyone, that was Manor Country Caravan Park here in Cheshire. Lovely site, really like this place.
Lovely site, really enjoyed ourselves.
It can get a little bit busy at weekends. And during the week is probably its quietest moment, isn't it?
Yes, I suggest, we said if just yourselves coming in the week and families, because there's lots of families having a wonderful time, and that's what it's all about, enjoying yourselves.
Yeah, but if there's just you and no kids and you want a quiet week, then the week's the best time. You love the pool.
I absolutely adored the pool.
It's heated, that pool, by the way, and it is warm. It's really, really warm. It was that close for me to get in, but not quite enough. But yeah, I have to say it's very, very well maintained, this place, and it's very clean and tidy.
It also has one of the best mobility bathrooms I have ever been in. It was really well thought out for anybody with limited mobility to use.
Yeah, also it was great for families as well, because it had a baby changing sort of like let down thing, so you could put a baby bath on it and change them, etc. That was pretty impressive as well. So they get, from a family and mobility point of view, they get our thumbs up for the bathroom.
Definitely do.
And by the way, there's one in the male and the females, which is good. Moving on, the pitches are very clean. If I'm brutally honest, they're not that big, because you can't put your car and a caravan and awning on them, but they do provide a really good car park, which is not far from where you've got your van, so it's not too bad. The cafe's very nice too, and the surroundings are near the cafe. That's lovely. So all in all, it's brilliant. But we'd just like to say thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, or hit the bell button if you have, to get further notifications on what we're up to. But in the meantime, from Juliet and me, I'd just like to say bye for now.
Bye.